Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to my video. So we have started the chapter playing with numbers. So in the last video I have explained you about the general form of a number. Okay, so general form of a two-digit number and three-digit numbers, and you have done this. Try this problem. So today we'll start the next topic, that is games with numbers. Why it is written games with numbers? Because it is interesting like a play. Okay, when you understand it, you'll find it interesting. So the topic is reversing the digits. So when you reverse any two-digit number, what will happen? The two-digit number, okay? So Meenakshi and Sundaram are two friends. They're playing one game. So Meenakshi has told Sundaram to think of two-digit number, any two-digit number, and after that, Meenakshi asked Sundaram to follow her instructions. So you have to see these instructions. Conversation between Meenakshi and Sundaram. So here you see what the instructions given by Meenakshi to do with the two-digit number. Choose two-digit number. So Sundaram has chosen two-digit number, that is 49. Then Meenakshi said, reverse the digit to get a new number. So 49, when you reverse the 49, then it will be what? 94. So it is reversed. Reverse means ulta. Then add this to the number you started with. That means add this reverse number with the original number. Okay. So when you add 49 plus 94, it will be what? 143. Okay. So you have to add these two numbers. After that, what is the next instruction? Now divide the answer by 11. Now whatever the answer is there, you have to divide this number by 11. So when you divide this 143 with 11, it is completely dividing, and the answer is coming 13. Okay, the answer is coming 13. There won't be any remainder. That means there is no remainder. It is complete division. So after dividing with 11, it is 13 coming. Now what is the interesting part of this trick and this game is that the answer you are getting 13. The interesting part is when you add this number 4 plus 9. Okay, when you add this number 4 plus 9, then the answer is what? 13. So at last we got 13. And when we add this reverse number, then also 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is the interesting part of the this game. So after reversing any number, and we have to add that two numbers, and after that divide by 11, then we'll get the number which is the sum of the two digits. This is the interesting part. The answer is the sum of the two digits which you have taken. Okay, so 4 plus 9 is 13. So 13 is the answer. So how it happened? So here is the main solution given, how it happened. Okay, so here is the explanation given. So 49 plus 94, 143 came. Then 143 is divided by 11, 13 came, and no remainder. So how it came, what is the formula, what is the trick behind it, it is explained here. See, let us see if we can explain Meenakshi's trick. What is the explanation here? So let Sundaram has taken AB as two-digit number. Okay, this is a two-digit number. Now he has written in the two-digit general form. What is the general form of two-digit number? You have studied this in your last video. So the general form of the two-digit number is 10a plus b, right? This is the tens place digit. This is the ones place digit. That's why 10 into a 10a plus b. This is the general form of a two-digit number. Okay. So when you reverse this number, what will happen? See, AB will become BA. So when you reverse this, it will become 10b plus a. Now what she said, Meenakshi, you have to add these two numbers. This first number, original number, and the reverse number. So here adding 10a plus b plus 10b plus a. Okay. So when you add it, 10a plus a, 11a, 10b plus b, 11b. So here you can see 11a plus 11b coming. Here 11 is common. That means 11 into a plus b. 11 is common here. That's why it is divided by 11. So sum is always a multiple of 11. Okay. That is why here the sum is divided by 11, because when you are making this as formula, it is coming as 11 is coming as the multiple of the sum. That's why you have to do the division with 11. So when you do the division with 11, you will get the sum of the two digits. So this is the trick. Okay. So I hope you are understanding this. So let's do this, try this. So it is based, this try this is based on that game. So 27. So let's do it. I am showing you. So students, you can see here the question is 27. You have to do the trick with 27. So first you have taken 27, then you have to reverse this number 27. So when you reverse this number 27, it is what? 72. Now you have to add these two numbers, okay? So when we add this 27 plus 72, what is coming? 7 plus 2 9, and 7 plus 2 plus 7 9, 99 is coming. Now you have to divide this number. Next step is to divide this number by 11. So you have to divide 99 by 11. So when you divide 99 by 11, it is coming what? 9. So this is our final answer, 9. Then how can you check it? See here, what I told, the answer is the sum of the two digits that you have taken. So what is the sum of these two digits? 2 plus 7 is what? 9. And when you reverse it, 7 plus 2, it is also a 9. So it's very interesting, right? So we got the right answer. So at last we can write like that: the sum of two digits 27 equal to what? 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So we got the answer correctly, right? So in this way you have to check it, that when we add the two digits, the same answer is coming or not. So this is the trick. Understood? So rest of the question I think you can do. It's very easy, right? Now we'll go to next one. So now the next trick is about subtraction. Okay, again Meenakshi has told to take another two digit number. Okay, so now again Meenakshi said to reverse the numbers. Now instead of adding, you have to subtract the two digits. Okay, you have to subtract it. After subtracting, what is the process? She said after subtracting you have to divide the answer by 9. Okay, and it will be divided completely. So now Sundaram has taken what? 29. Suppose Sundaram has taken 29. Now he has reversed the number. So the reverse of 29 is what? 92. Okay, you can see. So now she said to subtract these two numbers. So 92 minus 29. So after subtracting, what is coming? 63. Now she said to divide this 63 by what? 9. So 63 divided by 9. What we get? 63 divided by 9 is 7, because 9 7 is 63. So now we'll check. In that case we have checked by adding the two digits number. Here we don't add, we have the subtraction. Now we'll subtract. The answer we have got is 7. Okay, now we'll subtract the original number. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. And when we do the reverse number subtraction, that also correct. 9 minus 2 is 7. Understood? So in this way, this is the next trick of subtraction. Understood? So let's do this, try this. Now here 17, we will reverse the 17. When we reverse the 17, it is 71. Now we'll subtract these two numbers. So when we subtract it, 71 minus 17. So what is the answer coming? So the answer is coming as 54. Okay. Now what to do? You have to divide this 54 by 9. So here 54 divided by 9. So what is coming? 6 coming. Now we'll check whether when you minus the numbers, when minus the digits, so 6 is coming or not. Yes. 7 minus 1, 6. And here also 7 minus 1, 6. So the difference of two digits equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. So both numbers are matching, right? So this is a trick of subtraction. So here in the book it is given, the trick is here given. Why you have to divide by 9? Because when you again do the process, like here we have done the process. So you have taken the two digit number AB. So general form of AB is 10A plus B. Again when we reverse the number BA, then general form of this reverse BA is 10B plus A. When you subtract it, when you subtract both the numbers, 10A plus B minus 10B minus A, when you subtract, it is coming what? 9A minus 9B. Here you can see 9 is coming common. That's why you have to divide it by 9. Okay, after subtraction you have to divide it by 9, because it is coming as a multiple of 9. 9 into A minus B. Okay, so understood. I think you have understood and you have enjoyed the process about the two digit number of subtraction and addition. When you reverse the numbers, you are getting the same answer. Okay, so do the remaining questions of this, try this, and this, try this. Okay, so next day we will see the next topic. Thank you.